forget about it. I-65 may be closed because the damage hit it like very much.
Okay, Jared, thanks so very much. So there you go. We have a number of tornado warnings now in effect for southern portions of Indiana, certain north central Kentucky,
Jeez, dude.
Trimble County.
You seeing some of this hail?
Into Jefferson County in Indiana. New tornado warnings are just been issued for these cells coming out of southwestern Indiana, western Kentucky.
Keep your eyes up there, too.
Warnings are in effect for Perry County as well as Breckenridge County for the next several minutes. If you're anywhere from Harlem, dude! Perry County, please get into that basement right now. This batch of activity right there. These storms also locating half the potential super
Oh my gosh!
Let me see, we have Skillman. We have the Dukes area next to 1 to 5 minutes or so. Down the list we go. Down 4 minutes out. Paintsville, 5 minutes away. Gatchel, 7 minutes out. Holt, about 9 minutes away. There's Stephensport, about 12 minutes out. Derby, 13 minutes away. If I mention your community, or you know you live close to these communities, get into your basement right now and stay there until this storm has passed on through. Union Star, Cordelia, next 17 to 18 minutes. Mystic, Magnet, and Concordia next, let's say 17 to 20 minutes. That's when the storm will be impacting your area. This storm, by the way, is pushing towards
gosh,
in the Brandenburg area.
You see those?
So you're not under a warning right now, but folks, if you're in Brandenburg,
Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no!
I should say in the next several minutes. The other two supercellular storms, which have had long tracks.
Well, this could have been a mistake, son. Uh-oh.
Northeast.
Here comes a police car.
Now is just off.
This isn't good at all. There goes the windshield.
Very close to Madison.
Get your seatbelt on. Holy shit!
To the tune of baseball size in a few spots in the west.
Yeah.
Zooming tight, Memphis, Indiana, right now. Northbound, Interstate 65, tornado threat extremely high. Jared, Suzanne, do we have confirmations of a tornado on the ground with the second cell? Just final calls right now.
Jay, I haven't gotten anything in the last few minutes. A few moments ago, I got a report of a tornado on the ground north of Sellersburg, but that was a little bit ahead of that storm. But let's treat it as if it is, because we've got reports from this general vicinity of a potential tornado.
Okay, so there you go. Basically, the northern one half of Fort County. Right now. A little bit farther off to the northeast. Let's go off to the
Hey, are you there?
and show that storm and zoom in real tight as well on our street level mapping.
Q1031 Mobile's New Country 338 in Shane College. We're listening to.
That was literally the size of a softball. Oh my god. Good times, huh?